Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Big Brother Mzansi winner Mpho WA Badimo has revealed that she wants nothing to do with her ex-housemates from the show in real life, you guys. She has revealed that she has blocked them all on her social media pages. Now that makes a person wonder what happened for her to feel that way, you guys. Without wasting your time, please check out the rest of the video and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.
I'm not interested. I hope they don't say like they want us to have a, because honestly I don't look forward to any of that shit. I don't, because I don't feel I want to see all of those people again. I'm not interested in anyone, and like I just want to move. I'm not friends with Amatasana Wasekaya. I'm not friends with people that I went to school with. So why should I be friends with these people? So I'm not interested in any of them. I don't give zero fucks what happens with them. That's why I say this all the time. I personally blocked each and every one of them, whether we were following each other or not, because I told myself that I'm funny anything in connect. I don't want someone to tag me on I don't want that shit. Just leave me the fuck alone, because I want to be that person. I was the Cruella. Allow me to be evil in peace, evil, beautiful, and walking towards my wealth.